Hello everyone, this is Kara from DEK Designs, or Heart as most people know me. So today I am doing the reveal for the June mystery kit for DEK Designs / Plan to Be Fab. And first, well, here it is. That's the back side of it. Okay, I'm gonna just let the excitement build. So I got 2 orders today, and I just did the haul video, which I will be posting about the same time I post this, and I wanted to show the samplers. So I have a custom sampler as well. So if you buy from our Etsy shop, which is the Plan to Be Fab, then if you mention my name, either you can do the Kara or you can do Heart, you will get my exclusive freebie, and then you also get these freebie samplers. So here's the one, and if you've done any of my plan with me or seen them, you'll see that I pretty much use stickers from both these samplers and empty both these samplers just in a matter of 1 week between my personal and EC. So this is our sampler for DEK Designs, and then we also have the foiled sampler. Here I have both rose gold and regular gold, and I pulled them both out so you could see the difference. So here's our gold, and then rose gold, and I absolutely love what she puts on these. They're just so cute. Only thing it's missing is a face palm sticker. I need one of those. Alright, so that's it for the samplers. Now, are we ready for the reveal? I think we are. Oh, before I forget though, as a thank you for each DEK Designs order, I want you to know this. You get a paper clip, which always vary in what color and how they're decorated and whatever else, and you get this super cute sticker. Alright, are you excited enough? Is the excitement built up to where you feel like you need to fast forward? Okay, here it goes. Here, my friends, is the June, here's a little bit, the June mystery kit. Boom. It's so bright and beautiful, and I love it. Okay, so if you saw my haul video before this, you saw this already. But if you didn't, that's okay, because here it is. So I'm loving the watermelons and the thistles and this beautiful little lady here with her hat. We got a dove, beach umbrella, just everything about this is just, so summer. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It just reminds me of Florida too. I know I say that with every warm kit, but it does. Alright, and then got our half boxes and our quarter boxes, and we got 2 weekly boxes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that because I use 2 for both my planners each week, so that made me super excited when I saw that. And then we have our Hello Weekend, which I love how she hollowed it out there. It's so beautiful. And then we've got our checklist boxes, and here, oh my gosh, this washi tape. So I was really excited because I was like, oh, I'm gonna use my watermelon washi tape I've been waiting to use, and I've got one that's got flowers that'll perfectly fit this. But then I saw these washi strips and I was like, I can't not use these, they're so beautiful. So now I'm really torn because I kind of want to but don't want to, because I really want to just see this. And I absolutely love the fact that when they designed this kit, not only did they use these bright colors, but they use these pastel watercolors, so it just brings everything together and just like makes it perfect. It meshes so well. Oh my gosh, I love it, because I'm not a huge fan of like super bright kits, but I'm loving this. Love it. So there's what we got there. Oh my gosh, that's my sticker right there. Okay, anyways, sorry. Okay, continued. And here we've got our headers. So my favorite on here is probably the spending one. And then I like when she puts the work one on there too, because my weekly tracker, I do one for work, but I've been wanting to do one for spending, so the fact that she put one there, it just makes me really want to start doing that. And then we've got our deco stickers. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just want to jump in that pool right now. 96 degrees outside when I was on my way home from work, which was like 20 minutes ago. 96 degrees. I want to jump in that pool. Oh, so beautiful. And that watermelon. And the orchids. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And then, oh, whoops, I accidentally flipped these. So here we've got some half boxes, quarter boxes, flags, scallop boxes, and then we've got the bill boxes right here. And then here we've got glitter washi headers. And again, like it's got kind of bright colors, but it's also got like the pastels too. Like there's pastel-y, but there's also like the bright blue. I love it. I really love it. And then I was super excited to see this part right here. This was in the June sub box, and I want to say July too, or maybe it's just July. I'm not quite sure. Can't think of it off the top of my head. But I was really excited when I saw these in the sub box, and then I ended up using almost all of them just in like a couple of plan with me's. So seeing this again in this kit makes me super happy, because I really love like the script. Like there's script and there's print. Like the font is really unique and they're nice and small. Like so like here's the icons for most kits are about the same size, so and if that gives you an idea of the size of these, like they're not too big, they're not too small, they fit perfectly, they don't take up a ton of space, and I think they're super helpful. And I was never a functional sticker person. Like I've always just written in my stuff, but I love these. Okay, sorry, continued. And then here we got the foiled icons. And this is the last part of the kit. So our mystery kits they seem huge. I mean, I think they're big kits and they're just beautiful. Like they always go way out of their way to just make these so extravagant. So I'm not sure if this will be listed in the shop eventually or not. Obviously, like with it being a mystery kit, they wouldn't want to like put it out the same month that it was supposed to be the mystery kit for, or probably not even that next month. But if it went out in August, I wouldn't be surprised. But it's just so beautiful. So yeah, that is our June mystery kit, and I really hope that you love it as much as I do. If you are interested in getting the July mystery kit, I would place that order by, I think it's no later than the 15th I want to say. So make sure that if you're interested in getting the mystery kit, you do that. And it doesn't work with the sub boxes, but it does work with the mystery kit. If you want to save 30%, use the code HEART30 at dekdesigns.com, and that will save you 30% on your entire purchase of $15 or more. And if you decide to go to Plan to Be Fab on Etsy, right there, then just make sure that you put my name in the notes, and if you do that, you will get extra freebies, including my exclusive freebie. So thank you so much for watching and joining me. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and I love feedback, so if you want to leave comments or send me a message, let me know how I'm doing, if there's anything I can change, anything like that, please let me know. I would love to know. Thank you so much for joining me, though, and I look forward to doing a plan with me very soon with this kit because I'm so in love with it. So thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Happy planning, and we will see you soon. Thank you.